G'day guys, car is a toddler mess disaster. I'm 37 weeks pregnant. We haven't got the capsule in yet, so I'm going to clean it up, smash it out and put the capsule in. Let's do it.
Alrighty, when I watch cleaning videos, I like to see before and after. Now this is a total mess. The back seat looks a lot worse. So this is the before. Let's get into it. So here's all the equipment I'm going to be using. I've got a natural multi-purpose cleaner there, paintbrush, dusting glove, microfiber cloth and the Dyson. All the little attachments. This small vacuum head is awesome for in the car. Then over here I've got two baskets, one with the rubbish bag so it can go straight in there, and then this other basket for all the toddler stuff. So the front seat doesn't look too bad, it just needs a bit of vacuum. So we're preparing this for when our baby comes, as I'm 37 weeks pregnant, but as you'll see in the back seat, there's not the room for the capsule yet. Look how deep this is with a 2-year-old, just full of stuff. It's not all her stuff, to be fair, but as you can see, there's plenty of stuff here that needs to be organised. As you can see, a real mess. Then we've got the boot. It's not too bad. The underfloor storage has got a few things in it. Oh, I wondered where those shoes were. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the front driver's seat and work by seats. So cleaning up the rubbish, getting rid of all this kind of stuff. Giving it a really good vacuum, cleaning it all up. Starting at the top with the dusting so the dust goes down and then I can vacuum it up. Then using this natural cleaner, I'm just going to spray it on the cloth so I'm not directly spraying it onto the car, and then begin cleaning. Because I've already got the dust off, I'm now going to use this cloth to do the sparkle, so to speak. Using the sponge brush, I'm going to clean the air vents, getting there where the dust is, and also the CD slot. What I'm going to do now is put on an energetic song so that you too can get into cleaning your car and come along and clean with me.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive. Drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette.
Driver's seat complete. Yay! Now I'm moving on to the passenger seat. Let's do this.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
I just love the vacuum lines that are created on this mat. Anyone else?
No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
So do all cars with kids look like this or not? I'd love to know. Let me know if I'm alone in this or if your car's like this as well. How do you manage to keep your car clean with kids? Do you just clean it regularly rather than letting it build up? I'd love to hear some tips. As I said, we've got one with another on the way, so it's only going to get more and more messy, I feel, in the years to come.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? The scene that keeps playing on repeat ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn, you call the fire brigade, but I feel that it will come back. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come just look at the state we're in. I breathe you in and I can tell where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Where does it come from?
Thanks heaps for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you like cleaning videos, and I'll do more. Alrighty, bye.
Name these foods should be what this segment's called. There we go, this grot. Who knows what that is? Any guesses, folks, what that might be? Anyway, if you piled all these crumbs together, you could make a biscuit. Cheerios, rice crackers, Messy Monkeys, Ryvitas, Vita Wheats.
You ready?
Oh, very interesting biscuit. Ooh, juicy. Some more to add to our biscuit.